In this video, I will show you how to use the Love Spouse app. So first up, once you logged in, you can select AI Companion. Once you do that, you need to accept the terms and conditions to create an AI Companion. Click on the button to create your first AI Companion, and you will need to click whether you want a male or female voice. And once you've completed, you can see that your AI Companion has been created. And in order to create more AI Companions, you need to purchase coins. But in the free version, you can try it out. You can select Classic Mode, and you can make it say lines that you want, or you can select curated lines for the AI Companion to say.
Keep going. Maintain. This feels amazing. Keep it up.
Another feature you can use is the Activity Center, where you can chat with people all over the world anonymously. As you can see here, you can chat with people anonymously. You can just type in the chat to interact with them. And you can even send moods to get people's attention so that other people may chat with you. Another feature is the control park, where as you can see here, it's an anonymous and private chat where virtual identities are auto-assigned. So you can auto-assign your virtual identity here based on your gender and name as well. And that is basically how you use the Love Spouse app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.